Hello. So I always wanted to make video games, but there's one big problem. But recently that changed when I took a Unity beginner course where I learned the basics of Unity and most importantly, C#. So now, I want to make my own game. And there are many different types of games I can go for, but I'm going to go with a first-person shooter for a few reasons. We mostly focus on first-person games in the course. It's one of the easier types of game to make, and I like FPS games in general. So anyway, let's get on to the first devlog of my first ever video game. So the first thing I need to make is a capsule, which will be our player. But it can't move yet, and I don't know how to make it move. But luckily, there are people that do know how to. Brackies! And after following the tutorial, I now have a fully functional first-person character that can move around, look around, and jump. But now we're missing the second part of a first-person shooter. Shooting. So first thing I did is give the player a gun, and in order to make it shoot, we're going to use something called a raycast, which is just an invisible line that shoots out of the camera. And once we get the raycast set up, we can basically do just about anything. So I made a damage script where whenever the enemy gets hit by a raycast, it takes damage and eventually will die. But while shooting cubes is pretty fun, it's not really good gameplay. So now we have to make the cube fight back. So first thing I did was make the cube look at the player, and for an attack I made it shoot a bullet. Every second. Finally, I made it so the player takes damage every time a bullet collides with the player, and eventually if it goes below 0, the player dies. Which is usually how dying works in video games. So let's expand on it. So first thing I did was make an ammo system where basically every time you shoot, it goes down by 1, and once you hit 0, you have to reload. But you can't really see how much ammo you have unless you're a developer. So I had some basic UI, which was actually pretty easy to get working. So I made some ammo and health text, along with adding a crosshair that way you know where you're actually shooting. Finally, in terms of UI, I added a death screen where if you go below 0, it will trigger this. So now the basic functions of the game now work. Awesome. But there's another problem. It looks like crap. I probably should fix that. There we go. That's a little better. I also made a pretty nice turret model, along with trying out Pro Builder, which something we never practiced in the course and I have no idea how to use, but after a few tutorials I got whatever this is, which it'll do for now. So now I have a lot of other things planned for this game, including new weapons and new enemies, but that's in the next part of the devlog, so be sure to subscribe to make sure to watch out for that. Anyways, see you in the next one.